Hi, welcome back to the Circuit Playground Express online workshop. In this section, we're going to learn about 3D printing a housing for your Circuit Playground Express. So I 3D printed a project box here for a Circuit Playground. This still allows you to have access to all the buttons and sensors on the surface of the board. And I put a potentiometer that changes the speed of the light and a switch that changes the direction of the photon animation moving around on the board. So a project box like this is pretty simple. It's just a slip fit lid on a base, and the Circuit Playground Express is mounted on standoffs. So one of the first considerations when making a project box for a Circuit Playground Express is having a nice open top so you can still get at the Circuit Playground Express, unless you don't want to be able to use the sensors and buttons on the surface of it, but it's nice to be able to retain that ability in case you repurpose your box for something else later on. So the next thing that you want to consider when making it is having an access port so you can plug in a micro USB cord without taking the Circuit Playground out. So in this particular instance, the Circuit Playground's bolted into the box. So if I had to unbolt it to plug it in to change a little thing about the code, it could get really frustrating really quick, and maybe you just end up not using the box at all. So let's take a look at the inside. So in keeping with Circuit Playground's reusability and its alligator clip pads, I've taken my switch and my potentiometer and I've soldered alligator clips onto them and then clipped them onto the board. And I've left just enough room in the box so you'd be able to use those alligator clips and still be able to close the lid. Inside we have a battery pack. I would suggest that if you made a box like this that you'd wire your power up through the